Hello, YouTube.
Currently in our area, 34 degrees under partly cloudy skies.
Hello, YouTube. It's 2 Cools 2, Brooklyn, New York. We have a little winter storm coming through tonight. Show you the local on the 8s here. Still missing all the robotic voice, but whatever. Maybe it's Jim Cantori voicing this.
Today, overcast. Flurries or snow showers possible late. High 37. Winds light and variable.
I know everything's backwards, sorry.
Tonight, snow. Low 30. Chance of snow 80%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches.
You should be able to hear that.
Thursday, cloudy skies will become partly cloudy for the afternoon. High 41. Here's our 7-day outlook.
So I'm going to report it, recording this tonight, the storm. Sorry everything's backwards, my front camera doesn't work, only the face cam works. So yeah, thanks for watching. I know it's a short video, but stay tuned tonight for my weather videos. Bye YouTube.